So I just came across this Betty Crocker chocolate cake mix on Amazon, and I thought let's give it a try. Although I've never used any kind of cake mixes before, have never even for this mug cakes, but when I came across this I thought let's give it a try, and that is why I bought this. So I'll just let you know some details before trying it. So it's written Betty Crocker chocolate cake mix. It has 4 chocolate cake mix packs inside with 2 sachets of Hershey's syrup, and it is done in 1 minute 10 seconds, and it's a microwavable. Alright, so it's of 200 rupees and the weight is 264 grams. Cake mix is 200 grams, so it means 50 grams each of a mug cake. And ingredients are written here. This is cake mix, which includes sugar, refined wheat flour, that is maida, cocoa powder, edible vegetable oil, that is palm oil, modified starch, raising agent, egg white, emulsifier and stabilizer, and also iodized salt. And Hershey's chocolate flavored syrup contains sugar, water, invert sugar, liquid glucose, cocoa powder, malt extract, thickening agent, preservatives and iodized salt. So it also contains added flavor, artificial vanilla and nature identical chocolate flavoring substances and permitted natural food color. It contains egg, soy, wheat ingredients, may contain milk ingredients. So they have written that stored in a cool, dry place and away from direct sunlight. So I think we should not waste more time and we should now try this a single mug cake. Okay, let's do this now. So I'll just open this. Okay, so here are the 4 packets of cake mix. Okay, I thought there are 3 only. 4 packets of cake mix, and they have 2 Hershey's syrup packets in this. So let me just keep all the 3 inside. I'll take one and I'm going to start with this. So let me just read the instructions first. Okay, so they've written that you need 6 tablespoons of milk and microwave safe mug, 250 ml mug recommended, and mix together the milk and 1 pouch of cake mix in a microwave safe mug with a spoon for 1 minute or until the batter is smooth, and ensure that cake is well blended by running a spoon along the bottom mug edge. Microwave for 1 minute 10 seconds. Cooking time may vary according to the microwave settings. Now this timing is for microwave wattage 1200, and if you are using a microwave with 700 wattage, you have to keep it for 1 minute and 20 seconds. So you can always check that your cake is ready or not, and you can just add more seconds or minutes into that. So, okay, without further ado, let's get started. So I have everything ready here, and I'm going to cut this packet. I'm going to add this in my mug. So I'm having a doubt that this mug is going to be very small, so I'm going to change it to a bigger one. Okay, so now they have written to add 6 tablespoons of milk into this. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And let's just mix this. They have told to mix for 1 minute so that this comes together properly. Now I would always suggest you to go for everything fresh, but once in a while I think if this comes out good, then I would not mind maybe, but it all depends upon the taste and the freshness, the kind of flavor it brings out after cooking. Okay, so I think we are done now. So now I'm going to bake this in my microwave for about 1 minute and 10 seconds, and let's see what it comes out as. Okay, so here is the mug cake. So it's quite soft and spongy, and now I'm going to tear this. Okay, so let it cool for 2 minutes and then we'll just try it. Okay, now let's try this. Oh, it's very soft. I'll show you first. See, it's very soft, very gooey. So let me just taste this. It's very gooey with the right amount of sugar, not too much, not too less. First of all, this is not for the people who prefer eggless, because this contains egg. Secondly, this is not for people who prefer more sugary cakes. This is with the right amount of sugar, but still it is not very near to the fresh mug cakes that I bake, and I can feel that there is some kind of difference in the taste, but no doubt it is okay for a one-time treat, or when you don't feel like taking out all the ingredients and sorting things out, then you can always try this, and it can be a lifesaver for a midnight sugar cravings when you don't want to take out your fresh ingredients and want to bake from the scratch. Then this cake is okay. You can have that at your place and you can use it during those times, but I would then also recommend you to go for the fresh mug cakes because they taste heaven. I like it, it's okay, but because I bake frequently and I have more preference towards the fresh cakes, it's okay to have once in a while, once in few months, not every time, when you can bake your fresh cakes at home, which I always prefer. And this is my motive, this is the motive of my channel, to teach you how you can make your cakes, your muffins, your cookies at home, and they are good enough, and they are much healthier as compared to the bakery bought and the box ones. I don't want to confuse you whether to go for this or not. I am just telling you, go for the natural things. Otherwise, if in any case you don't want to do it, once in a while these cakes are okay. Okay, anyways, thank you so much for watching this review video. I hope you like it. If you want any such more videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I would definitely buy more products which you want me to review for you, and I'll come up with the new videos. And also let me know what other recipes you want me to bake this June. There are so many fresh fruits in the market: peach, plums, cherries. Cherry cake is coming soon. I think till the time you are going to see this video, watch this video, cherry cake will be already out, and there are so many other fruits, mangoes. So let me know whatever you want me to bake for you. Do mention that in the comment section below. Until then, keep baking and stay safe and stay happy. Goodbye and take care.